Hey everyone, let's continue with the grind. Okay, again, if you're watching this for the first time, oops, that wasn't intentional. This is our textbook right here. This is the cover, you guys. Okay, and at the moment I'm on chapter 26 and I'm about to jump onto this problem here. Okay, number 10, use a for loop to print a box like the one below. Allow the user to specify how wide and how high the box should be. Okay, so here's a hint, use that to print 10 asterisks. Okay, let's just take care of that. Let's define a variable called row. Enter number of rows. Now column eval inputs, enter number of columns. Okay, now that we're done doing that, I can simply go for I in range rows. There should be an S there, not an A and S. Okay, what is it am I displaying, or just the normal box? So we're displaying that how many times, columns, number of times. That was pretty straightforward. And again, in case I messed up somewhere, somehow, feel free to let me know. Again, you guys, stay tuned for my next solution on this exercise. Why? It's because I will be covering something that wasn't covered on the chapter on loops. Okay, so how many rows? Let me go 10, then 5 columns. It seems like we're good, you guys. Okay, now play around with nested loops, you guys, so make sure that you check out my next solution on this exercise. However, that solution won't make use of that hints they gave us. That's gonna be it, you guys. See you on the next solution.